What if your computer could solve in seconds what would take today's best computers thousands of years? That's what Google is working on. Meet the Google Quantum AI chip, a small chip with massive potential. Let's dive in. Back in 2019, Google made history. They announced they'd achieved quantum supremacy. That means their quantum processor, called Sycamore, solved a super complex problem in just 200 seconds. If you asked the fastest normal supercomputer to do the same thing, it would have taken over 10,000 years. That's like finishing a race before your opponent even puts on their shoes. But Google didn't stop there. Now, they're building even better chips, stronger, smarter, and more efficient. Their latest quantum AI chip is designed to handle more qubits and reduce errors. Qubits are the building blocks of quantum computers. More qubits means more power, but it also means more chances for things to go wrong. So Google is working on making these chips stable, quiet, and easier to scale up. Their goal isn't just to prove quantum works, it's to make it useful. Let's take a closer look at what makes this chip different. In classical computers, data is stored as bits, either a 0 or a 1. But in quantum computers, we use qubits. A qubit can be a 0, a 1, or both at the same time, thanks to something called superposition. This means quantum computers can crunch through lots of possibilities at once. Then there's another wild concept: entanglement. If two qubits are entangled, changing one instantly affects the other, even if they're far apart. Put together, superposition and entanglement let quantum computers explore huge numbers of solutions all at once. That makes them incredibly powerful for certain types of problems. But qubits are super sensitive. Even tiny amounts of heat, noise, or movement can mess them up. Google's new chip uses better shielding and smarter design to reduce these problems. They also use error correction, like spell check for qubits. It's incredibly complex, but it's working. So why should we care about a quantum chip? Well, it might not make your smartphone faster, at least not yet. But it could change how we solve really big problems. For example, imagine being able to discover new medicines in a day instead of a decade, or finding new materials for better batteries and solar panels. It could make online security way tougher to crack, because quantum encryption is next level. Even traffic in big cities could be managed better using quantum simulations. And here's the cool part: quantum AI could even help us build smarter AI. So, quantum helps AI, and AI helps quantum. It's like two geniuses teaming up. The point is, this tech isn't just for science labs. It could help real people in real ways. Google isn't the only one racing to build the best quantum computer. Big names like IBM, Microsoft, and Intel are all working on quantum tech. Even smaller startups like Rigetti are making noise. And let's not forget China. They've poured billions into quantum research. It's like the space race all over again, but now it's about qubits, not rockets. Everyone wants to be the first to build a quantum computer that actually solves big, useful problems. Why? Because the first one to get there could dominate industries like medicine, energy, finance, and national defense. It's not just about bragging rights. It's about real-world power. Google knows this, and that's why they're investing big through their quantum AI division. Right now, Google's new quantum AI chip has about 70 qubits. That's good, but not enough. Experts say you'll need thousands, maybe even millions, to build a truly powerful quantum computer. But Google has a plan. They've shared a roadmap that includes better ways to connect qubits and make them last longer. They're also building a new research facility called the Quantum AI Campus. It's full of clean rooms, high-tech labs, and some of the best scientists in the world. Their goal? Build a practical, reliable quantum computer before the decade ends. They're not there yet, but they're getting closer every year. So let's jump into the future. Imagine solving problems like climate change, disease, or world hunger using simulations that run in minutes. Imagine being able to design drugs, clean energy systems, or financial models in a flash. That's the promise of quantum computing, especially when combined with AI. Together, they could unlock solutions we haven't even dreamed of yet. Google's quantum chip might be the start of that journey. Sure, there are still big challenges, but each new chip, each new experiment, brings us closer to a new kind of intelligence. Not just machine intelligence, not just human intelligence, but quantum intelligence. What do you think? Real breakthrough or just hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to watch this next video about China New Army.